Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into 5 powerful house rules that will help you maintain a clean, structured, and functional home. Keeping a tidy home isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that promotes peace, productivity, and overall well-being. Whether you're struggling with daily clutter or looking for a system that keeps your household running smoothly, these simple yet effective rules will transform your home into an organized haven. Let's jump right in. Rule 1. Everything has a place and should return to it. One of the biggest reasons homes become messy and disorganized is because items don't have designated spaces. When things are left lying around without a specific storage spot, clutter builds up quickly. To solve this, assign a designated place for everything in your home. Store keys in a key holder by the door. Keep remotes in a designated basket near the TV. Use labeled bins and storage boxes for small household items like chargers, stationery, and beauty products. Store shoes in a shoe rack rather than leaving them scattered at the entrance. Once every item has a home, the key is to always return it to its place after use. This habit prevents clutter from accumulating and keeps your home structured effortlessly. Rule 2. Follow the 1-minute rule. If a task takes less than 1 minute to complete, do it immediately. This simple rule is a game changer for maintaining cleanliness without feeling overwhelmed. Wipe down the kitchen counter after cooking. Toss dirty clothes into the laundry bin instead of leaving them on a chair. Hang up your coat instead of throwing it on the couch. Place dishes directly into the dishwasher instead of letting them pile up in the sink. These small actions take very little time but prevent messes from building up. Over time, they become second nature, making daily cleaning much easier. Rule 3. Clean as you go. One of the most effective ways to keep your home clean is to adopt a clean-as-you-go mindset. Instead of setting aside an entire day to clean, break it down into smaller, manageable tasks throughout the day. After cooking, wash dishes or load them into the dishwasher instead of leaving them in the sink. While waiting for food to cook, wipe down surfaces and tidy up the kitchen. When moving from one room to another, grab an item that belongs elsewhere and put it back. After using the bathroom in the morning, quickly wipe down the sink and mirror. By incorporating small cleaning habits into your daily routine, your home will stay consistently neat without requiring marathon cleaning sessions. Rule 4. Adopt a decluttering routine. Clutter doesn't happen overnight. It builds up gradually when we keep things we no longer need. The best way to prevent clutter is to declutter regularly. Daily decluttering. Take 5 to 10 minutes each day to tidy up one small area, like a drawer or a section of your closet. Weekly decluttering. Pick a category: clothes, kitchen gadgets, toys, paperwork, and eliminate unnecessary items. Seasonal purging. Every few months, assess your home and donate, recycle, or discard items that no longer serve a purpose. A simple rule to follow is, if you haven't used it in the past year, let it go. The less clutter you have, the easier it is to keep your home clean and structured. Rule 5. Set a cleaning schedule and stick to it. Maintaining a clean home is much easier when you have a routine in place. A cleaning schedule helps ensure that every part of your home gets attention regularly. Here's an example of a simple weekly cleaning schedule. Monday, dusting and wiping down surfaces. Tuesday, laundry and changing bed sheets. Wednesday, vacuuming and mopping floors. Thursday, cleaning kitchen appliances and scrubbing counters. Friday, decluttering and organizing. Saturday, deep cleaning bathrooms. Sunday, relax and enjoy your clean home. You can customize your schedule based on your lifestyle, but the key is consistency. Instead of letting dirt and clutter build up, doing small tasks daily and weekly ensures your home stays clean without feeling overwhelming. Final thoughts. A clean and structured home is achievable. By following these 5 simple house rules, you'll create a clean, structured, and functional home that is easy to maintain. The goal is not to have a perfect home, but to develop habits that keep your space organized and stress-free. To recap, everything has a place and should return to it. Follow the 1-minute rule. Clean as you go. Adopt a decluttering routine. Stick to a cleaning schedule. Implementing these rules one step at a time will make a huge difference in how your home looks and feels. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home organization and cleaning tips. Let us know in the comments which rule you're going to start using today. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!